Hello students, today in this video we are going to discuss about the chapter number 3 trigonometric function. From the exercise 3.9 we have to choose question number 1, and this question we have to prove that 2 times of BC cos A plus CA cos B plus AB cos C is equals to A square B square plus C square. Now as we know that the formula of cos A is equals to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC, and formula of cos B is equals to A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC, and formula of cos C is equals to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. By using 3 formula we have to crack this question in a very easiest form. Now we have to take LHS part of this question and substituting the value of cos A, cos B, cos C in this equation, then we get now 2 times of BC is written in same way, and now substituting the value of cos A, the value of cos A is nothing but this is B square plus C square minus A square upon 2 times of BC plus CA, and put the value of cos B is equals to A square plus C square minus B square upon 2 times of AC. In same way we have to put in the place of AB is AB, and value of cos C is nothing but this is A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. Now look at here, if BC is cancelled out from BC, CA is cancelled out from CA, and AB is cancelled out from AB, then we get 2 times of B square plus C square minus A square upon 2 plus A square plus C square minus B square upon 2, and plus A square plus B square minus C square upon 2. Now taking 1 by 2 common from all these terms, then we get 2 by 2, and written again this is B square plus C square minus A square plus A square plus C square minus B square plus A square plus B square minus C square. Now 2 by 2 is cancelled out, and look at here, B square minus B square is cancelled out, plus B square minus B square cancels, plus C square minus C square is cancelled out, minus A square plus A square is cancelled out, and again A square plus C square plus B square. Then final proving is A square plus B square plus C square. It means, it implies that LHS is equals to RHS. Now this is proved. Now question number 2 from the exercise 3.9, cos A upon A, cos B upon B, cos C upon C. Then this is proved that this is equals to, this is plus sign, and here is also plus sign, this part is equals to this part. It means we have to prove that LHS is equals to RHS. Now if any triangle, this side is A, B, this is the vertices of triangle ABC representing by A, B and C. Look at here, if angle A is here, then this small sides means length of BC is given by A. In front of angle B is side B, and in angle of C, front sides is considered by C. And then by using the formula of cos ABC by the side, now putting the value of cos A, cos B, cos C, then we get ABC. Now substituting the value of cos A, then we have to write here 1 by A. Value of cos A is b square plus c square, b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc, plus value of cos b is nothing but this is a square plus c square minus b square upon 2ac, and multiplied with 1 by b according to this question, plus 1 by c, and putting the value of cos c is a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab. Now this equation may be written in this form: b square plus c square minus a square upon 2abc plus a square plus c square minus b square upon 2abc. When b is multiplying by 2ac, then we get 2abc. A multiplied with 2bc, then we get 2abc. In same way, c multiplied by 2ab, then we get 2abc, and numerator value is a square plus b square minus c square. Now taking 1 by 2abc common from all these terms, then we get b square plus c square minus a square plus a square plus c square minus b square plus a square plus b square minus c square. Now by the cancellation, look at here, plus b square minus b square plus c square minus c square minus a square plus a square, all these terms are cancelled, then we get 1 upon 2abc and plus c square plus a square plus b square. It implies that a square plus b square plus c square upon 2abc, therefore LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. Now question number 3rd from the exercise 3.9. If a triangle ABC where angle C is 60 degree, and this is A and B, and side of AC is equals to 6 centimeter and BC is equals to 8 centimeter, then find the value of C. It means then find the side of AB. Now by this question we have to firstly write AC is equals to 6 centimeter and BC is equals to 8 centimeter. Then find side of AB is equals to question mark. Now firstly we have to use the formula of cos C. Cos C is equals to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. Now angle at C is 60 degree, then we put cos 60 is equals to A is nothing but this is 8. In the front of A, this is 8 square plus value of B is 6 square minus C is nothing but this is C square. Now 2 times of 6 into 8. Value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then square of 8 is 64 plus square of 6 is 36 minus C square upon 96. Now we have to cross multiply, then we get after cross multiplication we get 1 by 2 is equals to 64 plus 36 gives out 100 minus C square upon 96. By using cross multiplication we get 96 upon 2 is equals to 100 minus C square. After dividing by 2, then we get 48 is equals to 100 minus C square. Now C square is taking from RHS to LHS, then we get this is changing with sign. c square is equals to 100 minus 48 is equals to 52. Now c is equals to root of 52, then which is the required side of the triangle ABC when two sides is given and one angle is 60. Then by using the concept of cos c, we have to determine the value of unknown sides. This is side C. Now thank you class.